Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As our iPhone 14 coverage continues, we now have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And of course, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this brand new iPhone. If you didn't catch our initial unboxing of the iPhone 14 in the color blue, which I really like, links will be in the description for that video. But let's continue the coverage here and let's take a look at the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And this one here is the brand new purple color, and the font is there to go alongside the color. As you can see right there, the Apple logo also matches the color as well. So let's get right into the unboxing. Let me know in those comments down below if you ordered an iPhone 14. Which one did you order? Capacity, color. I would like to hear from you in those comments down below. And wow, look at that purple color. Seeing it in person, it is truly remarkable. It looks very, very nice. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Of course, the railing on this one is shiny, very, very shiny, as you can see right there. No SIM card here in the US, so no SIM tray here. Everything will be eSIM from here on out. We have the cable, and inside here we have in the packaging, of course, we have the new instructions on how to set up your eSIM to transfer your phone number, and an Apple sticker with instructions as per usual. So let's get all that stuff out of the way here, and wow, let's take a look at the star of the show. I have to say, I've seen it in video and now I'm showing it to you guys, but you guys have to see this color in person. It looks sort of grayish depending on how you look at it, depending on how the light hits it, but wow, it looks very, very nice. So let's go ahead and compare this to previous generation iPhone 13 Pro Max. As you can see right here, the color blue. Which one do you prefer? Which one looks better to you? Let me know in those comments down below. I think I actually prefer this purple color. It looks stunning. Now let's take a look at the body right here, because both iPhones are close to identical, as you can see there. The volume rocker and the mute switch lined up there perfectly. Now the camera, they look a little bit bigger here on the 14 Pro Max. So we'll have to take a look at some of the cases here that we have in studio. The power button and the 5G antenna also align here, but again, no SIM tray right there. So there's the SIM tray on the 13 and no SIM tray on the 14. So let's take a look at one of the cases here that we have. So this one is for the 13 Pro Max. If you buy a case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, will it fit the iPhone 14 Pro Max? So let's go ahead and see if last year's iPhone cases do fit this device. So let's go ahead and do that here. And the answer to that is no. The answer to that is no, because as you can see right there, this camera hump is kind of bigger here. The sensors are bigger all over right there, so it doesn't align perfectly with the camera. Everything else aligns, but unfortunately, since the cameras are larger, as you can see right there, of course, we have a 48 megapixel camera this year. Unfortunately, it looks like this particular case does not fit, and that's an iPhone 13 Pro Max case. So the 14 Pro Max will require slightly larger cases just because of the camera sensor right there. But wow, this device is truly beautiful. Let's go ahead and boot it up here quickly. I wanted to mention that throughout the setup process, we have a new emergency SOS setup screen right here. It shows you how to press and hold the side and volume up button for emergency SOS. Of course, the new crash detection and how it works. And of course, coming later this fall, 2022, emergency SOS via satellite. And this is new with iPhone 14 and 14 Pro. Let's continue with the setup here. All right, so here we go. We are all set and ready to go. Take a look at Dynamic Island, the brand new Face ID notification interactive Dynamic Island right there, showing the lock. Once we unlock, the lock disappears, and you can see there that interaction and dynamic changing the actual island there. Really cool. So this is your new notification hub, your new system where you can interact with different things like music, as you can see right there. It is so cool. Apple definitely took this to the next level with Dynamic Island. I really like what they did. Of course, this is the new Face ID and front-facing cameras, and I heard there's a new update available. So yeah, when you do go ahead and unbox your iPhone, make sure you go to software update and update your iPhone, because there is a new software update available. Some users are encountering network connection issues, and that aims to fix that. So on day one, Apple is fixing some of the issues here. I have to say, iPhone 14 Pro Max, this color is amazing. Those cameras are bigger than I initially thought in comparison to previous iPhones. I'm going to be testing this device, sharing a lot of more details. Let me know what you'd like to know in those comments down below. Do you want a dedicated video on Dynamic Island? I would like to hear your thoughts in those comments down below. Happy iPhone unboxing day. I hope you guys enjoy your day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.